What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. If you're looking for a compact and affordable oscilloscope that you can carry anywhere, today's video might be exactly what you need. We'll be taking a detailed look at the ZOYI ZT-700, a handheld device that combines a 10 MHz digital oscilloscope and a signal generator into one portable unit. We'll unbox it, explore its features, test its performance, and discuss who this device is best suited for. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the ZT-700 deserves a place in your electronics toolkit. So let's get started. Unboxing. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. Inside the package, you'll typically find the ZOYI ZT-700 handheld oscilloscope, oscilloscope probe BNC connector, USB Type-C charging cable, carrying pouch, and a user manual, and any included accessories depending on the package version. The first thing you'll notice is just how compact this device is. It easily fits in one hand and feels lightweight without feeling cheap. The body is made from durable ABS and TPE materials, giving it a solid grip while providing some protection against everyday knocks. On the front, there's a bright 2.8-inch IPS color display, along with physical buttons that make navigation easy even when wearing gloves or working outdoors. Design and build quality. The ZT-700 measures only 104 by 69 by 28 millimeters and weighs around 150 grams, making it highly portable. Instead of carrying a bench oscilloscope and a separate function generator, this single device can handle many everyday electronics tasks. The IPS display offers good viewing angles, and the menu layout is clean and straightforward. Physical buttons respond well and allow quick adjustments without relying on a touchscreen. It also includes USB Type-C charging and supports TF card expansion for saving waveforms and screenshots. Overall, the design focuses on portability without sacrificing functionality. Oscilloscope features. Now let's look at the oscilloscope itself. The ZT-700 offers 10 MHz bandwidth, 48 megasamples per second real-time sampling, single input channel, vertical sensitivity from 20 millivolts per division up to 100 volts per division, time base ranging from 25 nanoseconds per division to 20 seconds per division. It supports both AC and DC coupling, making it useful for measuring both AC signals and DC voltages with ripple. For triggering, you get auto mode, normal mode, single shot mode. You can also select rising or falling edge triggering depending on your measurement needs. For an entry-level handheld oscilloscope, these are excellent features that make signal capture straightforward. Measurement functions. One feature I really like is the built-in automatic measurements. Instead of manually calculating values, the ZT-700 can display peak-to-peak voltage, maximum voltage, minimum voltage, RMS voltage, frequency, signal period, duty cycle, and several additional waveform parameters. The oscilloscope also includes FFT analysis, allowing you to view the frequency spectrum of a signal. This can be useful when troubleshooting power supplies, checking audio signals, or analyzing waveform quality. Another nice addition is waveform persistence and waveform storage. You can save captured waveforms as image files or data files using a TF card for future analysis or documentation. Signal generator. Now let's talk about the second half of this device, the built-in signal generator. Instead of buying a separate function generator, the ZT-700 includes one inside. It offers 22 different waveform types, including sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, sawtooth wave, pulse, noise, and many other standard test waveforms. Maximum output frequencies are 100 kHz for sine waves, 50 kHz for square waves, up to 10 to 20 kHz for many of the other waveform types. You can adjust frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle directly from the device. For testing amplifiers, filters, microcontroller circuits, sensors, or educational experiments, this built-in generator is extremely convenient. Storage, connectivity, and extra features. The ZT-700 includes several features that aren't always found on budget handheld oscilloscopes. It supports waveform recording, screenshot capture, USB data transfer, PC software synchronization, TF card storage. There are also some advanced expansion features. It supports offline downloading for firmware programming and includes a DAPLINK emulator, making it useful for embedded system development and debugging. System settings allow you to adjust screen brightness, language, sound, and automatic power off to suit your preferences. Real-world applications. So who is this oscilloscope designed for? The ZT-700 is well suited for electronics hobbyists, DIY makers, students, embedded developers, repair technicians, home appliance servicing, educational laboratories, general field troubleshooting. Because it's battery-powered and lightweight, it's especially useful when working away from a workbench. Instead of carrying multiple instruments, you can simply grab this one device and start diagnosing circuits almost anywhere. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and lightweight design, oscilloscope and signal generator in one device, bright IPS color display, built-in FFT analysis, automatic waveform measurements, TF card storage and USB connectivity, rechargeable battery with USB-C charging, useful expansion features like DAP-Link support. Cons: the 10 MHz bandwidth limits high-frequency measurements, so this isn't intended for RF applications. It's also a single-channel oscilloscope, meaning you can't compare two signals simultaneously. Finally, the 48 MSAS sampling rate is suitable for most hobby and repair work, but isn't designed for high-speed digital debugging. Final verdict. Overall, the ZOYI ZT-700 offers excellent value for anyone needing a portable oscilloscope with a built-in signal generator. While it isn't meant to replace a high-end laboratory oscilloscope, it provides more than enough capability for electronics repair, embedded development, educational projects, and DIY experimentation. Its combination of portability, waveform analysis, signal generation, data storage, and rechargeable battery makes it a practical tool to keep in your toolbox. If you're looking for an affordable handheld oscilloscope for everyday electronics work, the ZOYI ZT-700 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel WA Electronics, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future reviews, teardowns, and electronics tutorials. If you'd like to check current pricing or learn more about the product, I've placed the buying link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.